Do words disappear when you try to speak English? You understand the sentence, but your mouth still stays quiet? Then this challenge is exactly for you. Because spoken English is not built by memorizing grammar. It grows when you practice speaking every single day. Welcome to my channel, where you learn English naturally through listening, speaking, shadowing, and real-life practice. No boring grammar pressure, just simple daily practice that helps you speak English more confidently, more naturally, day by day. And today, we are continuing our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. So don't be shy, don't think too much, just listen carefully, repeat loudly, and speak with confidence.
So far in day 1 and day 2, we practiced morning routine, school activities, and afternoon English. And today, we're continuing with evening and night routine English. These are real daily life sentences, so the practice will feel natural and easy. So don't worry about mistakes. Just relax, speak confidently, and practice with me. Because day by day, your English is getting better. Now first, let's practice short and easy English sentences. These sentences may look simple, but they are very powerful for building speaking confidence. So listen carefully, open your mouth clearly, and repeat after me. I come back home. I come back home. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink water. I drink water. I feel tired. I feel tired. I take some rest. I take some rest. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I use my phone. I use my phone. I watch videos. I watch videos. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I eat some snacks. I eat some snacks. Then I start my homework. Then I start my homework. I study for some time. I study for some time. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. Now it is evening. Now it is evening. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I come back home again. I come back home again. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I drink milk. I drink milk. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I go to bed. I go to bed. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. Amazing! You are doing really well. Very nice. Now your mouth is getting comfortable with English, and this is where the real speaking practice starts. This time, don't wait for me. Just speak with me naturally. Try to copy my flow, my speed, and my pronunciation. Don't worry if you miss a few words. Just continue speaking confidently. Ready? Let's do it together. I come back home and change my clothes. I wash my hands and wash my face. I drink water and take some rest. I sit on the sofa and use my phone. I watch videos and talk to my family. Then I start my homework and study for some time. In the evening, I practice spoken English. Sometimes I go for a walk. At night, I eat my dinner and drink milk. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed. Excellent! Now your speaking is sounding much more natural. Excellent work so far. Seriously, you are already speaking much more English than before. Now let's move to slightly longer sentences. This time, you will read the sentences directly from the screen. Don't rush. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. And remember, fluency is not about speaking super fast. It is about speaking comfortably and naturally. Ready? Start speaking. Excellent work. See? You are already speaking full English sentences now. You know what? Most people keep waiting for the perfect time to start speaking English, but because of fear, they never actually practice, and that is why they stay stuck. But you are different. You are trying, you are speaking, and you are improving step by step. So don't feel embarrassed if your English is not perfect yet. Nobody learns fluency in one day. Even confident speakers were beginners once. The important thing is, You are speaking today. And honestly, that is something to feel proud of. So keep practicing daily because your confidence is growing with every sentence you speak. Now, I have a small challenge for you. Go to the comments section and answer this question in English. What do you usually do before going to sleep? And listen carefully. Don't worry about grammar mistakes. Don't worry if your sentence is small. Just try to answer in English because this challenge is about practice, not perfection. So comment confidently and let's practice together. So, this was day 3 of our 30 days English speaking challenge. And honestly, today's practice was really important because now you are learning how to speak about your real daily life in English. So, little by little, your speaking is becoming smoother, clearer, and more natural. So, never think, my English is weak. Instead, think, I am improving every single day. Because real confidence grows slowly with small daily practice. And trust me, if you continue this challenge seriously, you will notice a big difference in your English after a few weeks. So keep learning, keep listening, and keep improving every single day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video, you are going to learn something even more powerful, something that can improve your English and your life at the same time. So stay connected. And I'll meet you in day 4.